lovers for men. There, do you see that? A spectacle of romance, wearing fedora hats and lovely turns and waltzes from dance floors where they poured their life into one another. Their souls leapt forth, setting lights to dim as their blaze sung hymns with nothing but each other to stand for. No gazes meet their eyes as love and language flies between them. From their shoulders, their arms stem. From their shoulders, their arms stem, hands flowering at each end, brushing shoulder blades and swimming through hair on the backs of their heads. Their world is painted with brush strokes. Lips painting cheeks, hands and lips that tasted wine and spoke of grapes and vines, alluding to making love so delicately intertwined. Bodies curling for a time, turning, beating, swimming so high so to make smoke jealous. As his hair, blonde and long, sweeps his face as his lover long gone for the night song sways with him until they fall into each other, collapsing into one. His eyes, deep and brown, complement his eyes, blue like jazz sound, cool as they become a compound, blending his melanin with his pale brow, patience and support so that they can stand, despite challenges. With strength they can be lovers at length, lovers for men.